Good morning, children. The exercises that you will be doing in today's worksheet are related to the nouns. You have already studied about nouns in periodic 1, and in today's worksheet, that is from chapter 3, the classroom in the train, the exercises are related to abstract and collective nouns. What is a noun first? Nouns are the words that name people, places, animals, things, ideas, and emotions. And there are different types of nouns. So today we are going to study and revise about abstract nouns and the collective nouns. What are abstract nouns? Those which you cannot hear, smell, taste, touch, and see, but you can experience. For example, excitement, jealousy, sickness, curiosity, anger, and pleasure. And what is a collective noun? A collective noun is the name that is given to a group of people, animals, or things of the same kind, spoken as one whole. A collective noun is the name that is given to a group of things. It can be group of animals such as lions, it can be group of people such as students, it can be group of things such as flowers. For example, group of singers is known as choir, and group of musicians is known as band, a band of musicians. So as we have learned that abstract noun is the name of anything which can neither be seen nor be touched but can be felt is called abstract noun. So how do we convert nouns from common noun to abstract noun? Here 2 or 3 examples are given. For example, friendship is an abstract noun, and if the common noun is brother, it is converted into an abstract noun and it is brotherhood. In the same way, child, common noun, is converted to an abstract noun and it is childhood. Friend is a common noun and it is converted to an abstract noun and it is friendship. Revise again, what is a collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a collection of objects or things that are taken as a whole and spoken of as one. For example, group, bundle, family, crew, people, audience. And we can say it in a sentence like, we saw a herd of goats grazing in the field. The whole family went out for dinner. These are the examples of collective nouns. And the words that name a feeling or quality are called abstract nouns. For example, it is my belief that all humans are equal. We were filled with joy when we saw our new house. So the first exercise you will be doing is choosing the correct abstract noun from the given options to complete the sentences. Second is, you have to read the story and circle all the nouns, not only collective or abstract nouns but all the nouns that are given in the story. You will circle them all. Third exercise is related to finding 6 collective nouns from the word search and again finding 6 abstract nouns from the word search. And when you will find the abstract nouns, you have to use them in sentences. You have to make sentences using that abstract nouns. And the last exercise is related to the value that we have learned from this chapter, that is courage. What is courage? Courage is being afraid but trying to overcome one's fear. There are some questions that are related to the same topic. You have to answer them also. Thank you.